Hey, hello friends, good evening and welcome to all this channel Pravikshika 2 Grammar Revised Syllabus 2021. Today's topic Samas. The English meaning of Samas is compound. Okay, so let's do the question answers. Question number 1. Samas किसे कहते हैं? कितने प्रकार के हैं? That means what do you mean by samas and what are its types? The answer is दो या दो से अधिक शब्द किसी विभक्ति या संबोधन के बिना मिलकर उसी अर्थ या भिन्न अर्थ को देता है उसे समास कहते हैं. Okay, so writer says that two or more than two words when combined to give a proper similar meaning or a different meaning, then it is known as samas. Okay, let's see the types of samas. समास के 6 प्रकार होते हैं. अव्ययी भाव समास, तत्पुरुष समास, द्वंद्व समास, द्विगु समास, बहुव्रीहि समास, कर्मधारय समास. Okay, so number 1, अव्ययी समास, that means adverb compound. Number 2, tatpurush samas means determinative compound. Number 3, dvandva samas, that means coupulative. Both the words which are compounded has equal weightage or values. Fourth is dvigu samas. In this, the first half is attached with the numbers, and that is why it is called as numerative compound. Number 5, bahuvrihi samas, that means conceptual compound. Conceptual means when the word meaning is important. Okay, not the half word, not the second half word, or not the word itself, but the meaning of the word is more important. Then it becomes bahuvrihi samas. Okay, in this book we got 5 examples or the types, but in other books there are 6 types of samas. Okay, so that I will explain you at the end of this video. So let's move ahead. Question number 2, अव्ययी भाव समास और तत्पुरुष समास में क्या अंतर है? That means what is the difference between अव्ययी समास and तत्पुरुष? The answer is अव्ययी भाव समास में पहले खंड की प्रधानता है. That means in अव्ययी समास the importance is on the first part of the word. Like आजीवन. A is the main element of stress. It is important in आजीवन. The meaning is lifetime. Then we move to the second part of the answer. तत्पुरुष समास में दूसरे खंड की प्रधानता है. That means in तत्पुरुष the importance is on the second part of the word. For example, शह खर्च, that means the importance is on the kharch, that means spend. Okay, so like this is the difference. Come to the question number 3, द्विगु समास किसे कहते हैं? What do you mean by द्विगु समास? द्विगु समास में पहला खंड संख्या होता है और दूसरा प्रधान है. त्रिलोचन is the example. त्रिलोचन, where 3 is the numerical. Okay, so in Dvigu Samas the first part will always be a numerical one, but the importance is on the second part of the word. Question number 4, Dvandva Samas किसे कहते हैं? What do you mean by Dvandva Samas? दोनों खंडों की प्रधानता है. That means the importance of the word in two parts are equally divided, or you get importance only if you give the stress on both the words. For example, mata pita, that means mother and father, the both entity is important, that is parents. Okay, let's move for the next question, number 4. बहुव्रीहि समास किसे कहते हैं? What do you mean by बहुव्रीहि समास? बहुव्रीहि में दोनों खंडों की प्रधानता नहीं होती, उसके अर्थ की प्रधानता है. That means in बहुव्रीहि both the words is not important, but the meaning or the concept is important. For example, dashanan, that is das plus anan, dashanan. Okay, so the meaning of the word is important. Who is dashanan? Ravana from Ramayana. The Ravana is also known as dashanan. So let's move to the savistar uttar, that means detailed explanation. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द्वंद्व समास और बहुव्रीहि समास सोदाहरण समझाइए. Explain with detailed example द्वंद्व समास and बहुव्रीहि. The answer is द्वंद्व समास में दोनों खंड प्रमुख हैं. बहुव्रीहि में अर्थ की प्रधानता है. जैसे माता पिता द्वंद्व, दाल रोटी द्वंद्व. These both are the example of द्वंद्व. Dashanan, dash plus anan, dashanan. So anan means face. Okay, so please take care, it is not ananda, it is ananna. Okay, the end is na, that means face. One more example, Shanmukh. Shanmukh is a name of Lord Kartikeya. Okay, so Shan means 6 and Mukh means chehra or face. So Shanmukh is an example of Bahuvrihi. So friends, now I will take you to one more example of Samas is Karmadharaya. So that is the definition comes here. When both the words is important, but one is the adjective form and the other part is Visheshya. Okay, that is important. So when you get adjective added in the first part, it becomes Karma Dharaya Samas. For example, Neel Kamal. So if I vigraha or if I'll separate it, it will give us Neela Kamal. Neela means blue and Kamal means lotus. Maharaj, that means Mahan plus Raja. Mukhya Mantri, Mukhya plus Mantri. Okay, so first one is Visheshan, that is adjective part, and the second one is important. Okay, so like this, some books have given you 6 parts. It's up to you how you take it, but my suggestion is you to write all 6 types to get the full marks, because that is all I concerned about. So good luck for your career. We will meet in next week with one more grammar topic. Up to then, take care.